Hello everyone, welcome to my channel if you're new here, and welcome back to my channel if you're not. So in today's video we are going to be talking about college apartment essentials. I have racked up a lot of knowledge after living in an apartment for 4 years. So here's all my notes and let's just hop right into this video. The first tip that I have is to invest in things that you will use for years to come. So these kind of things include a good silverware set. For example, I bought my first silverware set and let's just say that the knife broke when I was cutting butter. So I would definitely suggest investing in a good silverware set. Nothing too crazy, you don't have to get fine china or anything. Like most of my home things, I go to TJ Maxx, Marshalls, and Home Goods, of course. Okay, so the next thing I want to talk about are sheets and towels. Sheets and towels are definitely something that I would invest in. Again, my first apartment, I did not want to spend a lot of money. I was just being like super cheap, didn't really want to spend any money. That's just kind of how I am. So I did not want to spend, you know, $50, $60 on sheets or towels or anything like that. Didn't really think it mattered too much. But oh honey, does it matter? So when I didn't spend a lot of money on either of those two items, after I washed them like one time, they got super scratchy, ripped up, like the dye was coming out of it, which is not good for skin. Again, they don't have to be super expensive, like, you know, with 1,000 thread count, Egyptian count, or anything crazy like that. I would again just go to TJ Maxx or Marshalls, unless you are buying something for a dorm where the bed is going to be twin or twin extra long. Then I would suggest maybe not investing too much money into it, because I know most times apartments will offer full or some even queen size beds, so you probably won't be using your twin and twin extra long size sheets for too many years. So if you are getting an apartment that has a full or even a queen size bed, I would suggest getting full/queen sheets. So I just got this from TJ Maxx. It is a full/queen comforter set. And I really like this because I can use this on my full at school as well as my queen bed that I have at home. Or if I end up getting an apartment that has a queen size bed, I can use it on both a full or a queen. And that's really nice because I don't have to go out and purchase a brand new comforter set every time I get a new size bed. The next thing that I have that you all should invest in are kitchen supplies. I would say to invest in a good pots and pans set. Now again, you don't have to go anything crazy, but it is something that you're probably gonna have for years to come. Just because I did not, and I'm left now with one pan and one pot. Both of them are super scratched up, the tops barely fit on there anymore. So again, I would say to go to TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or Marshalls. I don't usually go to Target for anything. I know, shocker, crazy. But I usually don't go to Target too much, so I'm not sure what kind of selection they have. But if that's your store that you really like to go to, I would say go to Target too. Walmart might have some good things. I'm not sure about that one either. And also make sure that you separate your pots and pans from your roommate's pots and pans, because that can also create some issues when you're left with 3 pots when you came in with 6 of them. The next thing that I want to mention is cleaning supplies. Do not forget about cleaning supplies. So I would suggest getting a nice broom, mop bucket, a good like pack of sponges. I usually buy sponges like in bulk, maybe like 5 or 6 of them. Now I'm gonna say some things that you probably don't have to spend too much money on, and those kinds of things are decorations. But you can make your apartment super cute, super homey, your style and everything on a budget. I would say to DIY a lot of things. There's a ton of videos on YouTube that you can look up on how to DIY things if you don't want to spend a lot of money. If you do, that's on you, that's great. I'm happy that you have that kind of money. But I know I personally did not want to spend too much money, so I got the super cute Christmas lights from Walmart actually, and they were $1.99 for just a little square pack of them. I personally would DIY a lot of your decorations just because your style might change from when you're, you know, the typical college age, when you're 18 living in the dorms to when you're 22 living in your apartment. I'm sure your style would change just a smidge, or you just might get tired of decorations. I've seen some super cute stuff pretty much everywhere. really. So I would say to either DIY or just find like some cute like bargain items that you can use to decorate your apartment with. And if you are planning on living with roommates, I would definitely say to talk to all of them and figure out which items you all want to split up between each person, so that you won't end up with 4 toilet plungers and 3 shower curtains or something crazy like that. So I would say to make sure that you talk to your other roommates for shared living spaces like the living room decorations, bathroom, and the kitchen. And then if you also share a room, maybe some room decorations too, like curtains or something that you could split the cost on. That would help you be more cost effective. Now I know this video is more cost effective heavy, but if you are wanting to invest, then these are just some suggestions that I have on where to invest your money and then how to spend your money. Also, this is just what I do. If you have other suggestions or something, leave them in the comments down below. And that's it. Alright everyone, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye. Love you all.